The walk of shame into the emergency room. Are you serious right now? You get one? Kevin, that's a pickerel. Yeah. Were you straight retrieving that? Wow. Nice, dude. Holy cow, that's a long cast. Don't go over into the weeds. There we go. Got another one. He's fighting well. No, he's not that big. Ooh, he's barely hooked. Get in here. Yeah, another largemouth. Yeah, 12 1/4. Very nice. Whoa! Yeah. Uh-oh. Boy, I'd like to catch one more. Holy cow, there we go. Dad, you need to put your Whopper Plopper on. Oh my gosh. He is fighting hard. He's full of weeds, that's why. Oh, I think he got off. No, he didn't. Wow, look at that. It's all covered in weeds. I can't even see him to lip him. Another little guy, but geez, I don't care, man. I'm finally catching fish after 3 hours of fishing. Jeez, that's outstanding. This is a good little pool. Kev's got one. Not very big, right? Is it a fall fish? Oh no. Yep. Are you kidding me? we go. Oh my gosh. We just doubled, baby. I watched him come right up and I just let it sit there for him to take. Whew. Nice, that's not bad. Nice fish. Nice fish. That is cool. Look at mine go. He's just still swimming right there. That is a turtle. That's a huge turtle. Oh my gosh. That's a big turtle, dude. It's dead. Look at that. Wow. It's a big snapping turtle. It must have just died, like not long ago. That's crazy, dude. That's a big turtle. Whoo! Woo! He smoked that thing. Oh man, he's fighting. Whoa, man. That was cool. He annihilated that. This looks like a good fish, dude. Look at this fish. Don't get off, don't get off, don't get off. Look at that thing. Oh, yeah, baby.
That's a monster.
That is a nice fish. Right there. Yeah, he is a chunk, man. He fought like a monster. 17 1/8. Awesome, boys and girls. Nice fish. 17 1/8. 2 pounds, 2 ounces. He's a good fish. Good fish.
Right next to a tree behind you.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay. Well, we're going to hit. I'm going to let this guy go. Whoa! All right. Look at that fish.
That's a monster. Dark too.
Yeah, he is. He's pretty. Look at that thing, man. Woo! Alright guys, I just caught this. He's 16 1/4. I've been trying to keep my camera from overheating. It's hot out and we've been in the direct sun all day, so it's a good fish. I don't know how much he weighs, I'm not going to weigh it, but figured I would try to give you my first underwater release here. Flip the canoe over. Cool, man. Hopefully that turned out good. Peace out. Oh, Lindley's got one. He's little. Nice, we almost doubled. So if we're going to catch fish in this little slack water, which is wicked shallow, by the way. Are you kidding me? Yeah, you had no idea you had... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're headed for disaster here, Kevin. Just get your pole out of the way. Yeah, got it. We're all right. Yeah. Whoa. I think it was little. Oh, geez, sorry. So we both almost killed each other with a Whopper Plopper. Oh my goodness. There it is. Very nice. Cool, dude. Yep. Nice. Little guy. I, Topwater Maniac, am the world's worst friend. This is Kevin, KL Reel Fishing. You guys probably recognize him. I have been sitting in the back of the canoe all day. We've had a wonderful day of fishing. Can you guess where the back hook of this thing is buried? Yeah, you guessed it. It is right here and, oh, sorry, Kev, and right there. 2 of those rear trebles, 2 of them buried in Kevin's skull. He's being such a man. I don't know if we're gonna be friends after this, but we're good. All right.
That was a week.
That was weak. We've had such a good day of fishing, and I can't believe I just ruined the end of our day. Like, it really sucks, and I feel terrible. But we're waiting on a ride to come pick us up, and then we are gonna go to the hospital and get this taken out. I was gonna push them through, but they're buried. I don't want to mess anything up in there. It's his brain. Well, it's not through his bone, but I don't want to mess with it. So, Kevin, I'm very sorry.
Right.
Well, it's not all right, but
I forgive you.
okay, thank you. Thank you, buddy. I set the hook on my Whopper Plopper on the biggest possible quarry ever. And I don't feel good about it at all. We'll see you guys at the hospital. The walk of shame into the emergency room. We just got the hooks out finally. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. There's no light in there. There you go. Awesome. Much better. There we go. That's actually a pretty decent fish. This guy's been caught before, that's for sure. Not a bad one. It's like 15, 14, probably 14. Ooh. That was a carp. It's a little one. Thank you. It's like 9 inches. Not bad. He's pretty.